Namaste, dear friends. It is sorry to say in India, particularly in the BJP ruling states, the harassment against the women is so high in the past so many months. But they are not giving any protection for the women in these particular areas, particular states. At the same time, they want to protect the criminals. They want to save the criminals. At the same time, they are not registering a case. They are not properly investigating the cases. They are not giving any protection to the girls, particularly in the girls. It is very sorry to state, even in the center, the BJP Modi government is not giving any advisory to the states to take proper action against these people. So the people, particularly the women folk, in the poor women folk, there is no protection for them. Their living condition is so bad, they are not giving any proper guidance for them. So, the center is not taking action, and the state government, particularly BJP ruling states, not taking any action. They are not giving any protection to the women, but at the same time they are giving protection to the criminals. So I request the President of India, give a direction to the central government and the state government to take proper action against the criminals and give proper protection to the women folk. Then only we can save the Rama Sita's life in the India.